Welcome guys, welcome to my today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to import screencast keys into Blender, and it will be very easy, and I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can download the file. Okay, make sure to subscribe, click that bell button so that you can be notified of every tutorial I'm going to release, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, here we are on Blender. So what you're going to do is go to your file. What you're going to do is go to your text editor. When you click the text editor, you will click open. Then you will find where your file is placed, the screencast key file. Okay, here is mine, space view 3D screencast keys pytxt. Then you click on it, then you press open text block. When you press it, this is what it's going to show you. Then after that, come right here, press run script. Once you have tapped the run script, go back to 3D view, then tap N, scroll down, then you see right there screencast keys. Then when you tap display, it will display the key right there. As you can see, if I can press scrolling wheel, you can see it's moving. If I press Z, yeah, that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you.